Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Perplexity in just few minutes. So before we start, if you want to use Perplexity by your own, you can just Google it in your Google. So first of all, what is Perplexity? Perplexity is a search engine tools that you can find your answer and search for your question. It also provide image and also video in your answer. So basically you have your answer in image form, video form, or even text form to generate your answer. So let's start. Basically first you have your home tab, then you have a discover tab. Discover tab, you can search for the latest trending discover trade that are found on the platform. And also you will have your library tab. In your library tab, you have your past bookmark past history that you search in Perplexity. So let's just start a Perplexity trade. So go to home, and for example today I want to search for the origin of Mother's Day. So basically this is my question to Perplexity, and later you generate for the answer. And also I can adjust for the focus. The focus will be all academic writing, Wolfram Alpha, YouTube, or even Reddit. So means that how the answer was generated, they will depends on what you choose. Maybe you choose YouTube, the answer will generate from YouTube. So after that you can just type your question, and also maybe you want to attach some attachment, you can attach here to as a reference for the AI to generate. And after that you can just generate for free version. So basically when you generate, first you have the source like news or others article. You can have a first tab of source, and also you have an answer that generated by AI. As you can see, they will have a quite good concentrate answer, and also you will have some image by the side. The image, you also can generate the image as a reference, and also you also can search for videos. You can press this tab, so the video will come out. They will show you some origin of Mother's Day, so you can have a reference. And you also can generate image based on your answer, but this is for pro version only. After that you can just share your content to your friends, so that they also can know the answer. Basically that's all for Perplexity. If you can just type anything related to the news, trend, viral topic, so that you can know the basic with the help of AI. And for example, let me generate another example. How to learn Photoshop in just 3 hours. So basically we'll make a new other content, and you have the answer how you can have the key step to learn Photoshop in just 3 hours. So basically you have a come out article, and also they will provide YouTube videos to let you have a reference so that you can learn more. So basically this is a search engine that you can improve by learning and guide from AI. So thank you.